Hello everyone. In the chapter Our Earth, we have yesterday done that what all our Earth is containing of, like the landforms, then the sea bodies, the water bodies. So in this chapter we have read that our Earth is also known as blue planet. Remember, we have learned that it is also known as blue planet because it has more water than the land. 3 part of the earth is covered with water and only 1 part is of land, इसलिए हम उसे blue planet भी बोलते हैं. And what was globe? Globe is just a model which help us to understand our earth more better ones. Fine. The next one was about the landforms. In the landforms, they are telling us about the different landforms like hills, mountains, valleys, deserts, plains and islands. They all are different forms of land. I am going to explain them in more detail, but let us read this. Clued in. The shape of the earth is a sphere which is slightly flattened at the top and the bottom. They are saying that when we call that earth is round in shape, earth is not properly round in shape. It is more of like an orange. It is also given over here. Okay. And now they are telling you properly about the shape. The earth is not round. It is sphere. It is sphere in shape and slightly flattened at the top and the bottom. Clear? So, we were talking about hill, mountain, valley, plain, desert, island and forest. When I have told you yesterday also to read the chapter back again because they are very important. You can go through the video again which I have shared yesterday also. A hill is a landform that is higher than the land surrounding the place where you are living. उससे height up होता है. But mountains are more higher than the hills. If I draw a mountain over here, so mountain will be very high up tall, covered with snow. Mountains will be covered up with snow, whereas hills will be a somewhat lower than the mountains. Okay, and the places between the mountains, I could say this part. This is known as valley. These parts are known as valley. Then we are talking about the plain. Plain is the total flat area of land. Plain are the total flat area of land where people grow crops and fruits. Next one was the desert. Desert is an area where very less rainfall occurs in the whole year. So there when you will be reaching up to the desert, you will find lot of rocks, you will find lot of sand. And what type of animals you will be finding over here? Camel. Plants like cactus, they don't need more water. They don't need a lot of water. Fine. Next one was the island. Island are those places which are covered with water from all the sides. This is the land surface in between, and everywhere around this land surface you will be able to see water. Okay. The next one is a forest. Forest is an area of land where plants and trees grow. Many animals live in forest. They are very important. Why they are important? They are very important for our earth because plants give us oxygen to live. The next one was the water on the earth. Here we are reading about different water bodies. River, lake, sea and oceans. Bacha, river is the flowing water. They are fresh. Totally fresh. Melting of snow causes rivers. Fine. Then we come up to lake. Bacha, lakes are also just like river. They are also flowing water, but rivers are somewhat flowing at a higher speed. Lakes a little bit still. They are also having fresh water. Okay, but when we come to sea, sea is a large body of water. Sea water is salty. Sea is not the flowing water at the same speed like river and lake. Okay, the next one is the ocean. This is the last one. Oceans are water bodies that are bigger than seas. Ocean water is salty too. Again they are saying just like sea, ocean water are also salty. After reading the chapter, there are some wrap up. Now let us read this. The earth is made up of land and water. Some of the landforms of the earth are hills, mountains, valleys, plains, islands, deserts, and forests. Rivers, lakes, seas, oceans are the different types of water bodies on the earth. Okay? We should try to keep the earth and its water bodies clean. We should always try our best to keep the earth, the land area, and the water bodies clean. That's all for today. Kindly again go through the chapter as much as possible. You will be doing up the reading that will be helping you up. Okay? Goodbye. Have a nice day.